Hey everyone, Nano Guy here. Today, we're taking a look at something really special, the Nanoleaf 4D Screen Mirror and Lightstrip Kit. 4D brings Nanoleaf's screen mirroring experience to your TV and monitors with customizable mirror modes, scenes, and even rhythm music visualizer. As you can see, 4D supports TVs and monitors up to 65 inches. On the front of the box, you'll see mentions of 4D's ultra-vivid screen mirroring, the trimmable RGB gradient light strip, and the privacy cover for the camera. You'll also see that 4D works with Apple Home as well as the other smart home integrations like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. On the back of the box, we see overviews of everything 4D, including the different mirroring modes, Sync Plus, and scenes. Let's move on to what's inside. When you first open it up, we see the instruction manual and quick start guide that has your QR codes and manual input codes for pairing. In the brown envelope, you'll find varying sizes of tape meant for mounting of corner brackets, the 4D camera, and the device controller. Here we have the addressable gradient light strip, which can be cut afterwards to fit your TV or monitor's length if needed. Then we've got the power supply, camera, mount for mounting the camera above the TV, the 4D controller, and the 4 optional corner brackets that you can use when attaching the light strip to your TV or monitor. Let's take a quick look at 4D in action, first in its 4D screen mirroring mode. And now with a regular dynamic scene. We can't wait for all of you to create immersive experiences with 4D.